In this video, we will create the code rain effect from Matrix in Wondershare Filmora. First, drop a black color clip on track 1 and make it 9 seconds long. Then go to the Effects panel and apply the BCC Particle Illusion effect by Boris FX to the black color clip. Next, open the Effects settings and launch Particle Illusion. In the Particle Illusion window, navigate to the Search Library option and search for Matrix. Double-click on the Matrix Falls option to add it to the timeline. Select the left side point and stretch it to create a straight line, then position it at the top of the screen. Adjust the Z position to 8 and change the number of points to 52. To make the code's rain cover the whole screen, increase the velocity and weight. Increase the velocity to above 1000 if required. Then, increase the number to 338 and add a keyframe. Go 3 seconds further and change the number value to 365. After another 3 seconds, change the value to 180, and at the end, change the value to 321. To add more randomness to the motion of the codes, increase the motion randomness to around 500. Scroll down to the settings and change the size turbulence to 127. You should now see the code rain effect. Again, double-click on Matrix Falls to add it to the timeline. Increase its size and change the number points to 12. Place it on the upper right side of the screen and adjust its width. Change its size to 265, velocity to above 1000, weight to 250, motion randomness to 500, and scale turbulence to 125. Then add Matrix Falls again, stretch it, and cover its X position to -46, Y position to -340, and Z position to -3082. This will bring the codes much closer to the camera. Increase life, number, and size according to the need. Place the codes at the start point and change numbers to 13. Set the size turbulence to 67. Add it one more time and adjust its scale and position to bring it even closer to the camera. Then add it one more time and adjust the position and scale. Select the code closest to the camera and change the number between 10 to 13. Change the color of all the Matrix Falls to green and click on Apply. Shift the black color to track 2. Change the transform to World plus Emitter. Expand Composite, change style to Alpha plus Apply, and adjust the brightness, contrast, and gamma accordingly. Expand the World transform, change scale X to 112 and scale Y to 124. Expand particle property, change number to 115, size to 124, velocity to 105, motion randomness to 250, and random seed to 2941.2. Duplicate the particle illusion effect on track 2. Change track 2 blend mode to screen. Select the clip on track 1, go to the settings, and launch particle illusion. Remove the first matrix fall and change the color of the remaining matrix codes to white. Apply the Dreamglow filter from Dreamglow FX to track 1. Change the glow color to green. Increase the glow to 100 and add a bit of blur. Apply Dreamglow filter to track 2. Choose green color and change the glow to 27. Finally, apply the cinematic bar. Now let's render it to see the final preview. If you're interested in more creative editing, check out filmora.wondershare.com.